Hello, this is Mohammad Al Mamun Sheikh, student of DPS School Bardwan, House Kaveri, class 11th. Today I'm going to make a video on how to make Rakhi for the online Rakhi competition. So here we go. So today we are going to make Rakhi using these following materials: glue, scissors, sponge circular cutouts, thermocol circular cutouts, some shiny stones, ribbon, that's Rakhi thread, and some chumkis, and using the satin ribbon. So at first we are going to take a thermocol circular cutout, and I have taken a cutout of the wedding card. So we are going to cut this by this shape. So let's cut. So I have cut out one circular ring. We need to have another one so that we can cover both the layers of the circular ring. So we are cutting another circular ring. So we have cut two circular rings for this thermocol circular ring. Now we are going to stick it like this ways. This is going to be our Rakhi base. So now we are going to stick these two here. We can use any type of glue. I'm using Fevigum. Sticking the first ring. Sticking the second ring. So now that we have completed the base of the Rakhi, now let it dry for about 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, we can take the circular thermocol cutout and then use the wedding card again or any colored paper to cut a colorful cutting of this diameter. So let's cut. Ensure that is uniform all throughout for a better look. So now we have cut it. So now we are going to stick it again. It should now look like this. Now we are going to use our previous cutout and stick this base over this lower base and stick these two together. So let's stick. At the end of the process, it should look like this. I have a cutout from a satin ribbon, and we are going to place it around the lower circular ring. For this, we gotta need a bit glue, but for our convenience, we have put some glue in a small plate. So now we are going to place the glue over the lower circular ring. So we have evenly spread the glue, and now we are going to roll this. So we see that the satin ribbon uniformly rolls around the lower circular ring, giving it a beautiful design. Now it's time to cover the sides of the upper circular ring. For this, we are going to paste over the upper circular ring some shining powder, which is blue in color. So again, the previous process, we are going to take the glue and evenly cover it over the upper circular ring. So we evenly got it. Now slowly roll the remaining parts. Do it by hand manually. Make sure that it is even all around the base. Now let it dry for 10 to 20 minutes. So now this is wet. I have now cut a circular design from the same wedding ring from which I have cut this part. Now I am taking a needle through which the Rakhi thread has been tied, and at the end a star design and a bead has been placed. I have to put this needle through this plastic design. It will require a little effort, but we'll do the same. So I have placed she's through the center, and now I'm applying a little pressure as this is a little hardy. So as you see, I have I have successfully passed the needle through the plastic design. Now stretch the thread so that the flower comes directly at the center. Now we are going to pass this needle from this center back at from outside here. Now let's do it. Now as you can see, I have passed the needle through this and placed it outside through here. Now I am opening the both sides of the thread. Now it exactly looks like this. So now our base means main design is complete. Now we are going to decorate the Rakhi thread from both the sides, that is left and right. Now we are going to do this by using some beads and some other decorative items. Now, so we have completed the base, and I have put the needle through here and placed it through outside through the bottom side. Now the Rakhi look exactly like this. Now we are going to place the beads on the right hand side and the left hand side in equal color combinations. Now we are going to insert the thread on the right hand side. On the video it may look on the left hand side, but it doesn't matter. I put the red bit, then the green, then the pink, then the yellow, then the blue, and the violet. I placed a needle at the side of the Rakhi thread so that the beads can be inserted easily. So it looks now quite good. Now we are going to do the same for the right hand side. So at last I have placed some more beads on both the sides so that it looks beautiful, and here I have placed a knot so that the beads do not come out. So we are almost at the end of our Rakhi making, and now we are going to place some feathers which I have bought from a retail store on the top so that it looks much more beautiful and interesting. So the feathers look like this. I am going to take some more feathers. So here are the feathers. We are going to place it on the top sides or four sides which are perpendicular to each other. Again we are going to take glue and put it over the feathers. Now we are going to insert the feathers directly at the directly under the plastic circular decorative design. One of them have been placed. It will look like this. Our Rakhi looks quite beautiful now. Now we are going to do for all the four feathers. So now our Rakhi looks like this. It looks pretty beautiful. Now let it dry for about 10 to 20 minutes. So now the Rakhi is finally complete and I've wore it, and it looks quite pretty. So you can gift it to your brother, sister, anyone you want. So now the video is towards the end. Please like this video and bye.